Here at Vitamix, we look to constantly improve our products to make them better than they were even at launch. One example of a fairly recent change is with our Advance blade. Now that Advance blade will come standard with any of our Advance containers, and you'll find those on the Quiet One, the Touch and Go Advance, and the Drink Machine Advance. So if you look at these blades, this is the Legacy blade, and you'll see a strong bend that runs across that blade. That is a little bit more aggressive. The newer blade has two bends that run the length of that blade. And the benefit you're going to see from that is extended life with the new blade. It's also going to be quieter for you, and it creates less vibration. So that's related to sound, but it's also easier on the motor base. That change brought a lot of positives. What that is going to do for the customer base is extend that life of the blade assembly significantly. It also is a little quieter, which is nice to have. And you're going to have also less vibration, which is good for the motor base, and it also relates to sound. For the most part, this doesn't make any negative for our customer base, but in a few instances we found customers that needed to make a slight variation. And that variation doesn't have to be a recipe change as far as the physical ingredients you're putting into the container. It's more in selecting a slightly different program. So for example, on the Quiet One, if you were using Program 7, that's a more aggressive style program that goes straight to 100%. Program 6 may be a slightly better fit for you. That starts at a little lower speed and chews those ingredients down before going to that higher speed. So just a slight change, pulling that program from the back and moving it to the program button that you would like is going to be really the only change you would need to make. Custom programming also is an option if you're familiar with that. Some other programs that seem to work really well for some of those more difficult recipes would be Program 15 or 17 on the Quiet One. If you have a different one of our motor bases, like the Drink Machine Advance or the Touch and Go Advance, those also have programs that you could try variations on, or the Touch and Go Advance, move those again from the board that holds 20 programs and move those to any of the front 6 buttons. We hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.